All right, guys, how are you? This is the drone I was talking about to for giveaway, and let's open it and see how is it from inside. And it comes with it. It comes with a safety bag. And it has like a type C USB-C charger and some that's protection for the fan protection. Actually, there is a two charger. Wow, two charges, which is good because, guys, you have two batteries here. There is two batteries here. All right, let's try to fly it up. And also, this is how it opens. Oh, that's first. Looks beautiful, huh? And this is the protection. You put it that way. Okay. Stays like that. Let's see. Let's put the battery on and let's just light it up like that.
Go fly.
Not connected. Hold on. Guys, we have to make sure it's connected. Okay. Now it's connected. Go fly. You see cameras, guys? You see? Well, it's nice. It's not bad. It's okay. Let's fly it up.
Yeah.
What do you think, guys? We're gonna do the random draw on July. What do you have to do to win that drone? Subscribe, and you have to watch this video and then comment on the video how much that car price. It's so, and then once you put the price, the one mentioned on the video, and then you will qualify to enter the random draw. So yes, guys, look, it's beautiful. Wow, I love it. It's turning and go straight. That's crazy. Yeah.